It's got to get above here. Come up here, boom, and dance this box here again.
Order filled. Order filled.
It can still do it. Come back up here, boom, dance, do a little inversion long. It can still do it. But until it comes up here and dance, I am not going to long again. Okay? 5-minute ultra bearish. And this could be just a head and shoulder, right? If they want to save the market, then they got to get back above here and hold. That's how they'll save the market. The hourly chart looking bearish too. If you look at the hourly chart, it looks like this. Looks like a sweep and reject so far. Sweep up, reject. This is the hourly chart. Don't forget we gapped up really hard today. Okay? This here is only a 150 point sell. Nothing crazy. The low of yesterday to this high here is 900 points on an NQ. They got to save it now if they want to save it. If they want to save it, they got to start popping this back up here.
Order filled.
Took one off. Nice.
Order submitted.
Only gamers know the difference between lag. No, it's not lagging. Good to hear, man. Good to hear.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice short, guys. Nice short. Who took the short, man? Who took the short? Trade to Bless. Quantum. Ali. Nice. John Yen. Take. Mark. Great job, guys. Killa. 10. Ice Tim. Will took it. Decal. Nice, guys. Great job, guys. Very, very hard to get through this 980 area. Be careful with your longs, guys. They should have popped through already, and they haven't. And you know what that means. Okay? If they're supposed to do something, they haven't done it yet, it means the risk of the other direction is much higher.
Order filled.
Okay, got one now. I'm going to take one more off here.
Order filled.
This could be a rejection and go lower. I'm getting ready to close it. It shouldn't be stuffing into this like this. It should have done something like this. Okay, the fact that they're not doing something like this, I don't like this long as much. See, there we go. Something big green candle is what we want. Big green like this is what we want. Not this like struggling action. Come on, pop it through.
Order filled.
There we go. Two more. Look at this thing.
Order submitted.
What to do with the blown eval? You wait for it to rebuild next month, or you can reset it. On Take Profit, you reset it for $100, and on Tradeify, you can buy resets as well.
Order filled.
Nice. One more
Order
off.
filled.
Nice. Two more off. Nice. Finally, man. Look at how long. This is the kind of pop we're looking for, right? So, anybody got this long here? Anybody got this long? Let's sell one more here.
Submitted. Order filled.
Nice. Yeah, slow motion pop. Took a long time. Needed some patience. You guys got it? Beginner. Doe. Coin. Hamster. Nice. Bedrock. Michelle. Steven. Fam. Nice. I only got one left. We could reject here, guys. I only got one left. So.
Order canceled.
They rejected pretty hard so far.
Order
Alright, I'm out.
filled.
I'm out. 2300. Nice. Rotate. I'm looking for them doing this little 76.4 area. Right? They're holding multiple levels. Holding. And we have this little trend line here. And they're holding so far. So I'm willing to give it a try to long into this as long as they hold this 920, 910 level. But the moment they start breaking down hard, boom, down here and pop, I'll short into it and go for the low of day. But as of right now, I'll try to long into it. So.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
How are you guys doing today? Are you guys green? Who's green today? Ronan green, Mitchell green, Mitz, Hushed, Steven, Alex, Tom, RK. Nice. Great job, guys. Great job. Let me go and check out who's green today. We got another payout. With God. Thank you, God. Amazing God's work. Thanks, FSP. Hope everyone green. Another Take Profit. That's why Take Profit is my #1 prop firm, guys. You see how many people took a payout yesterday and today? 2,500 with God. And then another $300 we heard, which is great. Right here, 10,000 available withdrawal, 5,500 requests. This year, $4,000 payout. All these will Take Profit. You make a profit today. Tomorrow, you get paid. No other prop firm does this. Gives you 5 funded accounts. Use the code FSP. Get 30% off. No activation fee. Absolutely amazing. Got filled. Great job, guys. Sell one more.
Order filled.
Holding one last. Can I show proof Take Profit payout? I mean, if these are not proofs, no proofs will satisfy you. Look at the payouts here that people screenshotted. I mean, if you just go to this payout section, if these are not proofs for you,
Order
there's
filled.
no proofs that can satisfy you. There we go, guys. Great job. 3 contracts, 1,400. Great job, guys. Great job. Right into our bubbles, man. Nice.
Order filled.
All right, I'll try.
Order
Even though I'm
filled.
scared. Yeah, no, I'm
Order canceled.
scared. I'll do the bubble. Sometimes you gotta do it anyway, even though you're scared. Good 15-point bounce. Noise. Do they hold here? I don't know. No idea. If I put on risk, I'll tell you that. I put on risk. Because that's a bubble level. Let me wrap up it straight. Noise! Noise! Moral of the story, guys. Sometimes you gotta do it scared, okay? I'm out. I'm out. 1600. Noise. I'm out.
Order
And try to go
filled.
long here. Because they're retesting this 20,000 level. If we can hold this level, hold above this 20,000 level, we can get it back up there. If not, pop, reject, I'm going to short into it again. So, do I think the Trump market's been hard to trade other markets? Absolutely. I like the volatility, but the fact that with my options account, very hard to adjust. Some people call it that he does it on purpose, that he's unpredictable. He'll say one thing and flip on the next day, right? Remember, like on a day where the market tanked like 1,000 points when he whipped out that board and it says, oh, all these guys are going to get tariffs. And then like we went down 1,000 points. He said himself he was watching the bond market. And because the bond market was going crazy, he had to cave in. Now you can say he didn't cave, you can say whatever, but he caved in and he did the 90-day pause. And because the 90-day pause, we start getting a pump. So, I mean, at some point, he has to cave. He caved in and this happened. And so far, it supported the market. Now, back in Biden's term, whatever, like he didn't have stuff like this. Like there wasn't like crazy, you know, this kind of stuff. But, you know, you learn to trade different markets, different cycles. And, you know, don't complain about it. You just learn to trade with it. So. All right, that was a rejection candle. But if they don't crack below 20,000, I can't be overly bearish on this, even though it looks kind of bad right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to rotate on my account.
Order filled.
NFP is only once a month, but I do FOMC and do CPI. So there's 3 red folder that I do for red folder strategy if I want to do it. NFP, FOMC will be next week, and a CPI the week after. Those are all the best. All the best. We may get a beeline pump soon, okay? A beeline pump is like this, okay? If they keep on holding this, they may do a beeline pump soon. Is Bonox better than Apex? Depends on what you mean. Bonox gives you a maximum of 11 funded accounts. Apex gives you 20. Bonox have a 40% consistency rule. Apex has 30. Nice. Nice pop, guys. Nice pop, guys. I'm going to get out of this pop here. Nice. 1100. If you wonder why I'd say normally this is where I put on the inversion long. Right now from 80s, we ripped 80 points, guys. Learn it. Module 4.3, inversion squeeze long. You hear us talk about it all the time. And in the revamp, I'm going to give more criterias. I'll do more details on it. So you see it in live action. Okay. If you want my course, go to fspfutures.com, put in your name, put in your email, and then on the next page, you'll see the results that people have. You can get my course for free if you buy 10 Take Profit accounts with the code FSP or 5 Tradeify instant funded accounts. But alternatively, you can also buy it directly by clicking on this link. Only $197, very cheap, because once I revamp it, I'll probably put this up to $247. So if you want that, go to fspfutures.com. Guys, by the way, if you're enjoying trading with us in the stream, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to this channel.